I don't want Miss Cassandra to find me. Our whole class has to ventilate the hive.
Okay, everyone. Now be sure to beat your wings all together.
In this heat, I prefer to take a nap.
It's cooler here.
Help! Help!
See, I told you, Doze. This big slug stuck to the ground. He can't do a thing about it.
These dogs! Where's my water? I'm thirsty!
Come on, Doze. We better go.
Slink, are you all right?
Oh, Maya. Yes, I'm fine. It's just that I can't move any further.
I'm not surprised. A big thing like that? He's too heavy.
I didn't find enough water last night, and now it's hot. I can't make any more slime.
Aw, yuck! More slime?
Yes, I need slime to move. Without it, I'm stuck, and I might dry out in the sun.
Don't worry, we'll help you to get into the shade. Huh? Oh, you're not like us. You're all soft. That's funny.
Well, I'm not an insect. I'm a mollusk. You won't be able to move me on your own. I'm too heavy.
Step aside. I'm pretty strong, but Slink is, well...
You're right, Uncle Kurt. He weighs at least 1,000 dung balls.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm much too heavy. If only I didn't eat so much. I love mushrooms. Oh, I could eat tons. When I see one, I have to nibble it.
But that doesn't matter, Slink. All slugs like to eat.
Well, I'm going back to my nap. Maybe Slink will be easier to push if he loses a bit of weight.
Willy? He'll dry out if he stays there. Don't worry, Slink. We'll think of something.